These are the 5 most terrifying siren sounds ever recorded. And the last one, you've probably heard it before, just not in real life. Number 5, Super Banshee. Number 4, Siren Drone. Is it just me, or does this siren sound more annoying than actually alarming? Number 3, Welland Vortex R4. Number 2, Alerter 125. Bro, that legit sounds like the world is about to end. Before we get to number 1, if you've ever heard a siren like this before, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Number 1, the EOW's 1212.